mag-outfit siya tayo. Ito yung sweater, guys. May arm warmer siya. Tapos, guys, nagpapakulo na ako ng tubig pang ligo ko. Kasi, kahit mainit dito, nagpapainit pa din ako. So, magko-combo na tayo. So, I do it by myself. So, lagyan na natin ng water. Yung, ano natin. Yung sa banyo. Kulo pa guys, bye guys, see you later. Malapit na siya guys kumulo, so mga 3 minutes pa. Mamayang 9:30 ay 9:40. Yes. Hi guys, so kulo na so maliligo na ako guys. Bye. Hi guys, so I am done. Okay, I am done. Paganda tayo ng paganda, pangit ko na. Let's blend it up. Hi guys, so I am sana hard-work. So I am here. So guys, I saw a bathroom. Guys, look like that. There's a bathroom there. That and this. So this is a bathtub. There's a bathtub and this the bye guys. So have a good time.